Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you just the very beginnings of what you're going to be doing when you're going to be editing ATV. First thing you're going to do is you're going to go to Shared Drives. Okay, we're here. Shared Drives, and you're going to go to TV2 and open that up. You are going to go to ATV News Clips, and whoever the anchors were went ahead and uploaded their stuff. So you'll go here, and there are all your clips. So in order to edit these, we're going to need to download them. So you can either do it all at once or you can do it one at a time. You would click on them and then you would click there. And then we don't need to see that. And we're going to click download. Okay? So you would download all your clips. So after you've done all of those, you could either do that or you can hold Shift and click on the last one, and then you can download all of them at the same time if you want to. But once we've downloaded all of our clips, we're going to go find them in downloads. So if you go to this PC, if you're using a PC, go here, and you're going to go to downloads, and you would find all of your clips in downloads. So once you find them there, you see there's some of Caroline and whoever. You're going to go ahead and take them and move them somewhere else because we don't want to edit those in downloads. So you can either go to a portable hard drive, which I have connected here, and I've created a folder that says ATV ATV 9120. Okay? So I've put all of my clips that I'm going to need in that folder, and I have it on this portable hard drive. If you want to save it on your OneDrive from school, you can go ahead and create this folder in downloads if you want to. Put all your clips in there, and then go up and choose OneDrive for Wake County. And you can make a folder in there and do it in there. So you just want to make sure that you have everything in a folder and everything is labeled before we are able to go to the next step, which would be importing.